My hair looks shinier. My curl pattern looks, quite defined. I have 4C hair, by the way. Like, I'm not one of those 4B haired girls. I mean, can you see how flat that laid? Like, even my roots are laid flat. Like, yo, I'm so. What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Fresh, and this is King Diva. Today, you guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a ginger infused shampoo. Really easy, really simple, very effective. I used this on my hair. Like, the last wash day I had was about, I think, a little over a week now, and I'm so impressed. I don't know what is in ginger that kind of changed like natural hair game for me, but since I tried this is the first time I'm wearing an afro. Guys, like, I'm being 100 with you. This is the first time I'm wearing an afro like this, and it's not shrinking up on me. And my hair does not feel stripped. My hair does not feel, it doesn't feel dry. I don't know if you understand. Like, it's not wet, but it doesn't feel dry. It feels like it's already, like it's been moisturized properly. So I think that shampoo really helped with that. And I also used this new Mega Growth Strengthening Leave-In Conditioner, and I sealed it with shea butter mixture. It was also homemade. Okay, I made the shea butter as well. If you guys want to know how I made the shea butter, I don't know what to call it, shea butter broth or whatever. If you guys want to know how I made that, let me know in the comment section below. So guys, the shea butter was not just shea butter was like, it's like one of the contents, but like the other things are kind of like whipped in it, and it really made the difference, you guys. It made the difference. My hair looks very, very like, I don't know if you guys, okay, let me come closer. My hair looks shinier. My curl pattern looks, quite defined. I have 4C hair, by the way. Like, I'm not one of those 4B haired girls. I mean, can you see how flat that laid? Like, even my roots are laid flat. Like, yo, I'm so surprised. Like, I don't even know where to start. I feel like this is the first time I'm actually enjoying an afro. First time. True talk, guys. First time. Like, without sweat, without stress, without expensive products. You know what I'm saying? This is the first time. So guys, this video is going to show you how to make that mixture, and I hope you guys are going to enjoy it. So let me let you guys watch the whole thing, because I have to get out of here now.
Alright, loves. So this is what the African black soap looks like when it comes. So this is basically made through a process of making peels are dried under the sun, the skin, um, and or palm leaves and cocoa pods are then roasted in a clay oven to produce ash. Water is added to the ashes and filtered. So you're going to be needing a plastic bowl, you're going to be needing a knife, and you're going to be needing a spoon. And then you're going to also be needing boiled water. So the first thing to do is to carefully cut out your black soap. You know, using your discretion, you should know the amount you need for at least 1 month or 2 month worth of hair shampoo. So you can always wrap the black soap back and keep it for later. And the next thing you want to do is take the sections you've cut out and just cut them into small bits. This would help it to melt faster when you want to do the infusion, and generally just, you know, help the content of the black soap to be infused into the hot water. just going to take a few minutes and tell you guys the goodies that exist in the African black soap and why I am obsessed with it. So, guys, African black soap is familiar to many people of African descent for its skincare benefits, health care benefits, hair care benefits. So, black soap contains quite a lot of good stuff. Okay, so you want to make sure that you're cutting your black soap into like very small bits so that it can effectively melt and be infused properly. Okay, so now you just cut in your ginger into little bits and then you just pour in your hot water. You can see it's really hot. I could barely even hold the bowl with my hands because it was very hot. So you pour your hot water and you just now gently stir. So the traditional black soap is typically a mixture of water and the ashes from, plantain skins, cocoa pod powder, and palm oil. Other recipe blends can include the ashes of palm leaves or shea tree bark, or a combination of palm oil, coconut oil, shea butter, or tropical honey. So you can see the black African soap is infused with so many natural existing products. Most village women in Western Africa are still handcrafting black soap. There are more than 100 varieties of African black soap. Recipes have been passed down in families from mother to daughter. Ingredients can differ by region and each batch can be unique. Age-old formulations and production methods make a big difference in the final outcome of the soap. Ingredients like shea butter, coconut oil, palm kernel, or cocoa butter are heated and added and hand stirred by local women for 24 hours. The soap solidifies and moves to the top, then it is scooped out and the mixture is set out to cure for 2 weeks. The soap is then prepared for sale or for use. So the African black soap has lots of benefits, as you can see, and it comes, one of the packaged popularly known one is the Dudu Oshun, but there are other brands that, other African brands that are, like making this into so many different forms, and it's really cool. So this is what the finished product looks like, and this is how I store my shampoo. I normally put it in the fridge just so it could stay for longer.
Alright guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to don't worry, it's no corona. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to click the bell button beside it so you don't miss any other video from me. And also make it a point of contact to check my channel once in a while, guys. And also try to share my videos with your friends. I've done some cool videos that are like very funny. I'm gonna leave the link up here. Very funny. You just get to watch it and laugh, and it's interesting. Okay, it's not all about like hair all the time. So get share with your friends and tell other people about my channel. I really appreciate you guys. My new subscribers, welcome. Thank you so much for being a part of this channel. It means a world and even more to me. You guys are just, each time I see the subscribe count increase, even if it's by one person, there's this push to like want to create more. There's this push to like want to do more, because I just realized that wow, there are actually people watching this thing, and I have to do my bit and do my best. So that's what I'm like, saying. Seeing you guys subscribe to my channel means a lot to me, and I really really appreciate it. It's like one of my dreams to like build this channel, one of the things I have on my goals, and I really want to do that, like I'm passionate about. And I really want you guys to just help out, subscribe, click the subscribe button, like the video, leave a comment, based on your thoughts about the video, and watch other of my content so you can get a better first impression of me, or even a better second impression or third impression. I don't know if I made a better first impression, but yeah, just check other of my videos, guys. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.